Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Today I'll be reviewing the Air Austral 787-8 Dreamliner in the Volcano Tail livery by JC Wings in a 1 to 200 scale. Please check the description in case you miss anything throughout this video. My social media links will also be down there. I pre-ordered this model from collectible-aircraft-wings-australia.com. Their link will also be down in the description. This is my 27th 787 model and it's my first Air Austral model. Some information about Air Austral. The operation space is out of Saint Denis Roland Garros Airport in Réunion, which is a part of France. Their main hub is Saint Denis Roland Garros Airport. They were founded in December of 1974, and their fleet as of the 12th of September 2017 consists of 10 aircraft, 2 of which are 787-8s. They serve 12 destinations in France, South Africa, Thailand, India, and throughout the Indian Ocean. Their current 787 routes are from Saint Denis Roland Garros Airport to Bangkok Suvarnabhumi, Dzaoudzi, I probably butchered that name, and Mauritius. And then from Dzaoudzi to Paris Charles de Gaulle via Nairobi. This aircraft's first flight was on the 18th of August 2016 and delivered to Air Austral on the 27th of October 2016. The Boeing customer code for Air Austral is 9M. Okay, so let's take a look around the box here. Okay, Air Austral titles and logo. The two different 787s they have. So there's the Volcano Tail and then the other one looks like a lagoon. I have got the other one as well, which I'll review at some point. 1 to 200 scale down there. Back of the box is just blue mostly. Boeing license, warnings, JC Wings logo. Also the sticker that Collectible Aircraft Wings Australia put on their put on the boxes of the models. Top of the box, so there's that livery right there, and the other one is on the bottom. And as you can see, it's ticked. And there is the model. Alright guys, the model is now out of the box and we are going to start at the cockpit windows on the port side. So with the cockpit windows, there are window wipers as well. There's pitot tube, static ports. On the gear door, F-OLRB, that's part of the registration number. You can see the gear doesn't really sit correctly here because the gear door is on an angle. The Air Austral logo, and then Air Austral titles. Also have the, actually I'll show you better in a second, but we have there this is the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engine, as you can tell by the Rolls-Royce logo, and there's also the Air Austral logo, and the chevrons that are there are a feature to reduce noise by helping to mix the cooler bypass air with the engine exhaust air a lot more cleanly, and that helps improve efficiency as well on top of the noise reduction. So a lot of benefits in that. And this is what I was going to show you, the realistic landing lights. And then inside the engine, it is very, very detailed. As always, we have the engine strake. The fan blades do spin. And again, the same on this side. Engine strake and fan blades, they do spin. And there is that realistic landing light on the wing on the right hand side, or the left from the camera. Oops. Just going to show you here the if they're there. The taxi and landing lights, but they are not on this model. Okay, and continuing along the wing, we come to the red navigation light, and that wing looks so nice, the raked flexed wing. And back onto the fuselage. There we go, Dreamliner logo. And then we have a lot of stuff here at the back. So first off, Ile de la Réunion. I pronounce that Ile part. It's French, of course, because Réunion, the island of Réunion, is part of France. So, and basically that just translates to Reunion Island. And then if you look right here, the flags are, that is actually the flag of Reunion. And then next to that we obviously have the French flag and the European Union flag. There's also the registration number, F-OLRB, or Foxtrot Oscar Lima Romeo Bravo. And that is on top of the bulk bin door. So definitely a lot going on at the back of the aircraft. And even more with the Volcano Tail, which looks just awesome. Because the island has, or at least the main island, is a volcano. And there's the Air Austral logo on the top of the tail. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the Apu exhaust. Looks very nice. On either side of the exhaust, right, no, I'm covering it, sorry, there, and then also there, they are the strobe lights. And now to the cockpit windows on the starboard side. So the window wipers, pitot tube, static ports, LRB, part of the registration on the geared door, Air Austral logo in the front cargo container door, Air Austral titles, the Air Austral logo on the Trent 1000 engine along with the Rolls-Royce logo, and of course the chevrons on the back of the engine nacelle. And then in this wingtip we have the green navigation light. And towards the back of the aircraft, again we have all that stuff, Dreamliner, there's the rear cargo container door, Ile de la Réunion, and those flags, registration number, and on the tail we have the Volcano again. Slightly different design on this side. I think they've gone, it's more of like a one side of the volcano and then the other side. So like a, look from the north and then a look from the south sort of thing. Slightly different color as well. There's a bit of purple there. Anyway, Air Austral logo as well on the tail. Alright, so we're going to take a look underneath the aircraft now. We have the nose gear and gear doors for it. We have some NACA ducts. There's the anti-collision light, hole for the stand, main gears and the gear doors. Underneath the wing, flap slats, ailerons. There's the fuel dump valve. Lots of details underneath the engines. And then the same on this side. But we also have the registration number, F-OLRB. Again, underneath that engine. There's the antenna. And then we come to the Apu housing, except there's no doors painted on this one. Now on the top of the aircraft, there's an emergency escape hatch for the pilots, anti-collision light, and then an antenna. The ADF antennas. On top of the wing, flap slats, ailerons and spoilers. And the no step markings as well. And again the same on the side, but we have the registration number also. And continuing down, we have the SATCOM, 2 antennas, and then on the horizontal stabilizers we have a grey dot on each one. They're the logo lights that light up the tail at night time. Right, let's go through the seating configuration. Right. So we have business class, 18 flatbed seats, rows 1 to 3. That is only from here to here, and then the rest of the aircraft is economy. 244 seats, rows 11 to 12 and 14 to 39, total of 262 seats. Now the tail, or what's to do with the different liveries that they have, and it extends to the other aircraft in their fleet, the 777s, which I also have in my collection, which I will be doing a review on at some point. But each of the aircraft features a natural landmark of reunion on its tail, with the aircraft displaying displaying the erupting volcano. I'm not actually sure what it's called. I did a little bit of research, but I don't know why I didn't find it. Someone may know. But anyway, some of the features of this model. Landing gear, yeah. Some of them don't roll. It's expected but annoying. Still at the same point, it's frustrating. Anyway, tilting landing gear, and the nose gear does swivel. Okay. Now we'll take a look at the stand. Alright, there we go. So we have Air Austral on the plaque, 787-8, scale 1 to 200, on the wooden base. So these are the old JC Wing stands. I really like these stands. Anyway, it's the blue film, I'll just peel that off. They have gone with a metal, I can't remember what it was, metal base. I believe it was painted white, or as sort of the base color, but typically, this film is getting ever more difficult to peel off. It's not as easy as it used to be. I don't know why. Anyway. And they were going to not use the plaque on the stands anymore, but due to people like myself barraging them with comments saying where's the plaque on the stand, because it was a unique feature of JC Wings. Gemini Jets never did it. These are Gemini Jet stands just with the added plaque because it's JC Wings. They decided to include it with their new stands, so very happy about that, because there was a photos release the other day, and also have one of their models which has it as well, which is the Alitalia 777-300ER. That's the only model I have so far, and but yeah, they also released pictures if you want to see that with the new stand. But still would prefer the wooden base. I think it looks a lot nicer. Anyway, these gears are magnetic. They can easily be removed and put back into place. Try to put them in the tilting position. They don't tilt very well. And then when you want it in the in-flight position, there are gear doors to use if you wish. Okay. So this will about do it for this model review. I hope you have enjoyed. Please do leave a like if you did. Comment, tell me what you think of this model. Tell me if you're going to get it. I would definitely recommend it. I really, really like this livery. The tails that they put on are very creative, very cool. A bit like what Frontier does with the animals. Quite creative. And subscribe for more. Share this video as well so other people can know about this model and see if they want to get it. And this just looks amazing from every angle. Doesn't really matter which aircraft this was on, even if they had a fleet of Airbuses. I think their livery just would look, awesome on any aircraft. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.